What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you do? I eat cake. What do you do? I eat cake. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. What doing? Writing. What doing? Writing. What do you do? I work in the bank. What do you do? I work in the bank. What do you see? I see an apple. What do you see? I see an apple. Where does it hurt? On my knee. Where does it hurt? On my knee. What do you do? I am an actor. What do you do? I am an actor. What is it? It's salad. What is it? It's salad. What's on your mind? I am just thinking. What's on your mind? I am just thinking. What's the matter? I need some money. What's the matter? I need some money. Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. How was your day? It was good. How was your day? It was good. What did she make? She made cookies. What did she make? She made cookies. What do you have in lunch? I usually lunch at noon. What do you have in lunch? I usually lunch at noon. What are you doing? I am playing games. What are you doing? I am playing games. How is the weather? It's sunny. How is the weather? It's sunny. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Where are we? We are in park. Where are we? We are in park. Who are they? They are students. Who are they? They are students. Where are you? I am at home. Where are you? I am at home. Who won? My friend won. Who won? My friend won. Who danced? My sister. Who danced? My sister. Where is your family? At home. Where is your family? at home? What is this? This is a doll. What is this? This is a doll. Who is he? He is my friend. Who is he? He is my friend. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Are you busy? Yes, I am. Where is the laptop? It's on the table. Where is the laptop? It's on the table. Did you smoke? No, I don't smoke. Did you smoke? No, I don't smoke. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Who drew? My sister drew. Who drew? My sister drew. Do you like snowman? Yes, I do. Do you like snowman? Yes, I do. Do you like to cook? It's so hard to do. Do you like to cook? It's so hard to do.